Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Good morning, everybody. How you doing on this Tuesday morning? It is the 20th day of May. Time as I make this is 4:06 a.m. on another very warm and humid morning. Looks like we're going to be reaching the lower 90s again today. This is going to be the last hot and humid day because we have a cold front that's coming on the way, and that's going to bring some big changes. The record high for today seems to be safe. The record high is 97 from 1962, so we're not going to threaten a record. But many records will be threatened across the southern U.S. again today. And another big severe weather day in our nation. I mean, this will be the 8th day in a row of severe weather in America. Not one storm system. Now, these have been a series of storm systems, but the threat today extends into Alabama. In fact, the marginal severe weather risk goes as far south as Montgomery, just a little bit south of the city of Montgomery. And then you get into the level 2 risk, closer to, let's say, Clanton. And then you get into the level 3 risk north of Birmingham, the enhanced level 3 risk, including the threat of some tornadoes as well. I think for a lot of us, the threat level farther south would be mainly damaging wind gusts and maybe some hail, but of course you can never rule out a tornado. But the main tornado threat, I think, would be farther to the north. But it will be a severe weather day. When will the severe weather get here? Well, we're dry today and we're quiet today, and I think it'll be entering the state maybe around, let's say, towards sunset, northwest Alabama, and then down to about the Birmingham area, let's say around 10 p.m., and then down to about the Montgomery area by about 1 a.m. These are approximate times, and you'll see future radar in the blog section below. And if you're watching on YouTube, there's instructions on how to get to our blog on our website, on Facebook, and also on Twitter or X, whatever you want to call it, and also on our weather app. And our weather app is going to be very important. I hope you have it on your phone or tablet. Go to the App Store, search Rich Thomas Weather. Instant push notifications for severe weather alerts. Now, I'm not sure if our alerts are loud enough to wake you up on your phone, you know what I mean? But here's the deal. The weather radio system will not be working tonight. Here's why. The National Weather Service is doing a software upgrade. It started yesterday morning and it continues through Wednesday morning, which means all of the Birmingham operation weather radio transmitters, there's 10 of them, including Montgomery, will be off. Right now there's a recorded announcement indicating that there's no programming right now. So that's the deal. No weather radio tonight. It's an unfortunate timing that the National Weather Service is doing this software upgrade. And it started yesterday morning and it continues to Wednesday morning. So no weather radio for this severe weather situation tonight. Very unfortunate, very bad timing. What else to tell you? Okay, behind the front moves into South Alabama early tomorrow morning, and then cooler, drier air comes in back behind it. I think we're in the lower 80s by Thursday and Friday especially, much lower humidity, and some of the nights could be in the upper 50s perhaps, so that would be Thursday and Friday night. I think we could be in the upper 50s. All right, we're getting ready for the big Memorial Day weekend. How's the weather? Friday looks great. Saturday looks great. Then, we start to pick up at least a chance of some scattered showers or thunderstorms on Sunday. And right now, honestly, Memorial Day Monday, to me, looks wet and stormy, at least by the afternoon hours. We'll see if that pans out. I know, I hear you groaning, but 'tis the season, and it is what it is. All right. This morning, everything is normal, including live on radio, 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1 WACV. There'll be another forecast discussion, which is what this is, the video, and blog update with all the graphics and good stuff in the 4 o'clock hour tomorrow morning. And your forecast whenever you want it across the dial on the Blue Water family of stations. Have a great day today. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.